users, in this video I am going to tell you how to switch the screen between main activity and login activity. When the user is currently not login into the system with the email address or mobile number, we cannot directly redirect user to the main activity. So that we are creating the new login activity, and if the user is not logging into the system, then we are redirecting the user to the login activity, or else if the user is logged in into the system, then we redirect the user to the main activity. And also we are creating some drawable files which are needed in the future for designing the chat applications, and also creating some icons. So let's get started. First of all, we need to add one dependency, that is Firebase authentication dependency. You can go through the Firebase official website and check for this and copy this dependency and paste it in the Gradle file of app level. So I am doing it. I already added this. Now we first create one new activity, that is the login activity. So click on the new activity and create empty activity and give the name as login activity. Also we are creating one new activity, that is registered activity. If user is not have an account, then by using the registered activity we can create the account for the user. So click on WhatsApp new activity and empty activity, give the name as a registered activity. Okay, now first we go to the main activity, and here we are creating the variable, that is Firebase user, or we can say that the current user. Now we are overriding the onStart method of the activity, and in this we are checking that if user is already login or not. So we are checking that if current user is equals to null, then we are redirecting to the user to the login activity to attempt the login. So creating one method, that is send to login activity. You can click Alt Enter to show the suggestion and click on the create function send to login activity. And here we are creating the intent variable that is used to redirect the user from one activity to another activity. So create object of intent, pass current context, that is this @main activity, colon the activity name to which you want to redirect. So we are passing login activity colon class.java and call the method start activity and pass intent. Same way we are code into the login activity. Here we are checking that if user is already logged in, then we have to redirect user to the main activity. So here again we are creating the variable current user and again we are overriding the onStart method, and inside that we are checking that if current user is not equals to null, then we pass that send to main activity. Okay, now click Alt Enter and create the function, and again create the intent variable to redirection. And then pass the activity where you want to redirect to main activity : class.java, and call the method start activity. Intent. Okay, so we are run the application. Our application is run, so you can see that the login activity is visible. Now we have to use some icons in the design part and some drawable files. So we are creating some icons first, that is click on the drawable, new, and click on the vector assets. This icon is used when we design the login and register activity. So click on the clip art. Inside that you search for the email and choose which you want and click on, and here give the name as a email icon. You can give any name to this. Here you can choose the color of the icon. Okay, again I am needed the password icon, so again I am creating new icon, that is vector assets, and here you search for the password. But here when you search for the password, icon is not visible, so that I am using the lock, and here I am choosing this lock icon and give the name as password icon. And one another icon which is needed is a mobile. So click on the new vector assets. Here search for the mobile. I am using this. I am changing the size of 24 to the 30 by 30, and here I am give the name as a mobile icon. You can also use the icons which is downloaded from the external site. One other icon which is needed for the design is the app icon, which is the launcher icon of our application. So I have designed the icon which is used. So here copy this and paste it in your Android Studio inside the drawable folder. Make sure that when you are dealing with the resource folder, you note that inside this all the file names must be in the lowercase, and also only underscore is allowed. No any other special symbol is not allowed. So make sure this one. Now we are creating one drawable resource file which is used when we design the login screen and register screen for the button style and edit text style. So here first of all create button style and click on OK. You can see here selector. We are changing selector to shape, and inside that I am using the gradient. So give the start color as a color primary and end color as a primary dark. Give stroke, that is of color ascent, and the width of this is 5 dp, or we can give 10 dp also if you want thick border. Now we are giving the radius to the corners, that is of 10 dp. So you can see this one, our button style which we are using in the background of a button. Again we are creating another resource file which is for edit text. So here give the name as edit text style, click on the OK. Again change it to as a shape, and here I am giving the solid color as a color accent, which is of light gray, and stroke I am giving that is of color primary dark, and width is 2 dp or 5 dp. We can giving 4 dp. We are giving 4 dp. Now corner and give the radius as a 10 dp. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next video we are going to develop the login screen and register screen. Thank you for watching.